Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs in the sides and draw it on the back like this. Now fix the ribbon on the hairs, tie it by making the plaits, fix it and then roll it upward to make a bun and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, comb the hairs properly like this. Now divide the hairs and tie it. Now fold it. Now make the plaits on it. Now take the hairs on the back and tie it like this. Now rotate it using this hairstyling tool. Make the plaits, join all the hairs, fold it upward and it's ready. Next, tie the plaits on the hairs, tie it like this on the sides, join all the hairs together on the back, fold it and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the top and make a ponytail. Fix this ribbon. Now tie it. So fix it by making the plaits on the hairs. Follow the same step for the other side and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, comb the hairs properly as shown in the video. Tie it like this by dividing. Now fold the hairs on the top for the other side. Join the hairs on the top and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Make the plaits in few sections. Now tie all the hairs and fix it inside the hairs. Make a bow on the top like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on it and fix it on the other side like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.